Join me as I dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence and challenge myself to explain what it's really all about. Artificial intelligence is something we hear about every day, and it's becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to complex systems that can analyze medical data and predict diseases, AI is truly changing the world. But what exactly is artificial intelligence, and why is it so significant in the world of technology today? I think it's safe to say that most people have some misconceptions about AI. One common misconception is that AI is going to steal our jobs. But the reality is, AI is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. Another misconception is that AI is completely autonomous and can make decisions on its own without human input. But the truth is, AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on, and they still require human oversight and regulation. Misconceptions about AI can be dangerous because they can lead to fear and mistrust. When we don't understand something, it's natural to be afraid of it. But the problem is, when we're afraid of something, we often try to avoid it or dismiss it rather than trying to learn more about it. And that's exactly what we need to do with AI. We need to educate ourselves and understand what it's capable of and what it's not capable of. A lot of people also think that AI is some kind of magic that can solve all our problems. But the reality is, AI is just a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us to decide how we want to use it and to make sure that we're using it responsibly. So, how does AI actually work? At its core, AI is about machine learning, which is a type of computing where the system can learn from data and improve its performance over time. One of the most popular types of machine learning is neural networks, which are modeled after the human brain. Neural networks are incredibly powerful and are being used in all sorts of industries, from healthcare to finance to marketing. AI is being used in some amazing ways in the real world. For example, in healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images and detect diseases more accurately than human doctors. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and make predictions about market trends. And in marketing, AI is being used to personalize customer interactions and improve customer service.
One of the most impressive demonstrations of AI's capabilities is when it defeated a world chess champion in 1997. This was a major milestone in AI development, as it showed that a machine could beat a human in a complex, strategic game. Since then, AI has gone on to defeat world champions in other games like Go and poker.
In 2016, a Google AI program called AlphaGo defeated a world champion in Go, a game that's exponentially more complex than chess. This was a major achievement, as it showed that AI was capable of learning and improving itself over time. And in 2019, an AI program called Libratus defeated four world champions in poker, a game that requires bluffing and deception. We've covered a lot of ground. We've talked about common misconceptions about AI, how AI works, and some of the amazing things it's capable of. But the most important thing to remember is that AI is not a threat, it's an opportunity. It has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways, from healthcare to education to transportation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on AI in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about the future of AI technology, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be diving deeper into this fascinating topic.